Phnom Penh, a rapidly rising industrial hub on the banks of the Mekong. While the economy accelerates, grid instability and soaring electricity costs have become the most critical bottleneck for factories. Facing this challenge, a local embroidery factory has taken the lead, seeking a more reliable path to energy security. SolisStorage FlexCore-ID Indoor Stackable Energy Storage System. Each module stacks seamlessly, precisely matching your energy demands. Freeing the factory from grid instability and high electricity costs, and achieving true energy independence.